For more than 35 years, Condo-World has been dedicated to providing guests with an exemplary vacation experience. It is our highest priority to make sure you and your family feel safe and comfortable when you stay in Condo-World accommodations. I'm Alex Husner, Chief Marketing Officer for Condo-World. Today I'd like to share a few updates about what we're doing to keep guests safe in these unprecedented times. Just this year, we moved into a beautiful new office building located on 17th Avenue South in North Myrtle Beach. While we would love for our guests to see the inside of our new reception center, we believe the most important thing right now is to keep our guests and staff safe. We've developed a minimal contact check-in process that gets you on the way to enjoying your vacation safely and quickly. Using our online pre-registration process, you'll fill out how many keys and parking passes you need, and we'll have your check-in packet ready to go. All keys and parking passes are sanitized prior to being placed in your packet. And for your convenience, we've included a 4-ounce bottle of hand sanitizer. On your date of arrival, you'll receive a text message notifying you that your unit is ready for check-in. Simply drive or walk up to our check-in station located on the bottom level of our office building, show us your ID, and we'll hand you your packet and you're on your way to enjoy your vacation. Condo-World has a long-standing reputation for high standards of cleanliness in our condos, with well-established processes and training in place for our housekeeping staff. We're closely monitoring cleaning guidelines set forth by the CDC and are implementing additional measures to ensure the safety of our guests. Here's Ben Clyburn, Director of Operations for Condo-World, who oversees all aspects of condo cleaning.
Condo-World will be taking additional steps to ensure optimal cleanliness prior to your arrival. High-touch surfaces such as remote controls, countertops, and light switches will all be thoroughly disinfected with recommended and COVID-specific EPA cleaning solutions. Our housekeepers will all be wearing masks for your safety. Remember, with every Condo-World reservation, linens and departure maid service are included. Our linens are laundered in an off-site professional facility, ensuring the highest level of cleanliness and sanitation. All units go through a pre-arrival inspection before they're marked ready for check-in. Due to these additional cleaning procedures this year, we have moved our check-in process from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. All Condo-World properties have mandatory deep cleans throughout the year. This in-depth 2-day process ensures lasting upkeep and pristine condition of the properties. The entirety of the property is cleaned from top to bottom. One of the reasons guests love staying in a Condo-World property is that our properties include full kitchens, which makes it easy for you to cook right from the comfort of your own condo. All of our housekeepers take routine inventory of kitchen items to ensure that you have the essentials you need to prepare meals from the comfort of your own condo. You can even use grocery delivery apps like Instacart or Postmates, or do local pickup from your local Walmart.
Now, you may be wondering how we're keeping guests safe when they're enjoying the on-site amenities. Let's go down to the pool deck and take a look. Starting with our high traffic and public spaces, our staff is going above and beyond normal protocol to make sure all common areas are frequently cleaned throughout the day. Elevators, lobbies, pool amenities, handrails, lounge chairs, public bathrooms, fitness centers, and more will all be cleaned with COVID-19 specific EPA cleaning solutions. You'll also notice hand sanitizer stations located throughout all of our properties. Resort staff will be wearing masks at all times, and chairs will be spaced 6 feet apart to promote social distancing. Guests are asked to maintain a safe distance between themselves and other groups and to wear masks in common areas such as elevators and lobbies. While it's true that some things will never be the same, for us some things will always be the same. We know that we're better when we're together, enjoying the company of family and friends, creating memories for generations to come. Our team is dedicated to the safety of our guests and staff, and we're ready to welcome you back to the beach.